You've heard about marketing automation, but you never fully understood what sales automation is all about, and I'm here to give you insight that can change the trajectory of your client experience and your business. Hey, my name is Elesha Jacobs of Innovategy Solutions.com, and I help business owners and service providers streamline their systems and automate processes for enhanced client experiences. So in today's video, I will be sharing on sales automation and how you can start automating those steps between sales, marketing, and services. I want to share with you my experience when it came to understanding sales automation and how it was so instrumental in providing the most excellent or unparalleled customer experience for my business. You see, I'm a one-man show. And so with that, I have so many different systems that I need to manage, but not only manage, serving clients and also getting those systems to communicate with each other, but also I was neglecting the sales process. And so what I've able to identify when I did an analysis last year with my business, I realized there were major gaps inside of my sales process, and I needed a solution, which is a CRM, and I'm using Keep in my business, but I had to get a CRM, a customer relationship management solution, to help me fill those gaps and also create a more streamlined sales pipeline. You see, when I was able to understand my customer life cycle and how I will serve them through the delivery of my services and also provide ongoing support services, I needed robust systems and really depending and leveraging on automation. So I had to fully get into what is sales automation, and not only what it is, but how can sales automation benefit my business. To define sales automation, it is basically the use of technology to automate repetitive tasks and processes in the sales cycle. The goal of sales automation is to increase efficiency and productivity while improving the overall customer experiences. So I want to share with you some key areas where sales automation thrives. The first is lead generation and management. Automating the processes of identifying and tracking potential customers is known as leads, and this can be used through forms, landing pages, and marketing automation tools to capture your lead information and track their engagement. The next process of sales automation is sales forecasting and pipeline management. Automating the process of tracking the sales process is fundamental, especially for growing businesses and those who are in the service industry. This will include forecasting future sales and identifying potential issues in your sales process so you can provide a more enhanced client experience. And coupled with your CRM software, you're able to track your customer interaction and manage your sales pipeline. You see, your sales pipeline are those individual steps that your customer is actually going through to be from becoming a lead or in showing interest in your service to actually becoming a customer inside of your service. And so if you can apply automation into those different steps, though that pipeline would be easily managed and it would be streamlined for their experience. Email and social media marketing is one of the most common areas of sales automation. You see, when you're automating the process of sending targeted and personalized communication to potential and existing customers, you are including this inside of email marketing. Your social media automation tools allow you to schedule your social posts, and all of this can be tracked, and it's also a part of your sales automation. I know it can be a burden for a lot of business owners, especially if you're managing all the areas of your business, sending orders or processing orders and sending invoices. This can be a repetitive task and sometimes overwhelming and time-consuming task. And so with sales automation, you're able to automate the process of processing orders, and also generating invoices. And so when you use e-commerce platforms or accounting software or even your CRM solution, you're able to streamline that process because you're telling the system what you want it to do when a new lead is ready to pay an invoice or when a new lead is interested in your services. And so in this way, the system is able to generate those invoices and process your orders, and so makes your work efficient, and also the client receives those orders as well as invoices on time. Until I got a full understanding of sales automation and really understanding how it actually ties in to acquiring the customer and also delivering my products and services to my clients, I was able to generate more time inside of my business to focus on delivering those services to my clients. Leveraging automation is very important inside of your business, especially in the digital economy. You see, when you leverage automation in the sales process, you are able to focus your time on high value activities such as building relationships with your customers instead of wasting your time on repetitive tasks. And so I want you to consider implementing sales automation inside of your business, whether you're a product-based business or you're a service-based business, so that you can regain as much time as possible to serving your customers and also enhancing the customer experience through your systems. If you are ready to leverage automation in your sales process, or you have not considered implementing a customer relationship management solution inside of your business, you can check out the links in the description down below on how you can get started by booking a consultation call with me, and we can discuss how you can start implementing sales automation or marketing automation inside of your business. See you inside the next video. Bye.